Lucas, you got. Wait, it's not maroon, is it?
Wait.
Oh, wait, oh yeah, it does reverse it, doesn't it?
It reversed here.
Parker, it's your turn.
Your turn.
Alright, what do I do?
You put a any color you want down.
No, you
Bruno.
pick the color, Sean.
Oh, green.
Thank you, Sean.
Is it my turn?
Yeah, it's maroon. Is that green or is that red? I can't tell.
That's
It's green.
I'm literally the most colorblind motherfucker you know.
Yellow.
Thank you. I had 4 yellows.
Yo, back to you.
2.
Yo, thank you, gamer.
Anytime, bro. You're welcome, Sean.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, these guys are both down to 3.
Parker's about to win. Fuck.
Oh yeah, I know I'm about to fucking win, dude. I don't ever lose.
Dude, you're a dirty whore.
Oh.
I literally don't know what color this is.
Wait, you just have to match the color. It doesn't matter if you're colorblind.
Wait, I had a fucking red.
Go,
yeah,
Falcon.
but like this color is the same as this color.
Is this red?
It
Yes,
doesn't matter
that's
as long as whatever you call. Think
Why
of
did
it
I
as
fucking
red.
draw, dude?
Hey, just put it back in the deck. Shuffle the deck. Put yours in.
Put this at the bottom.
This is literally unfair, dude.
All right, there we go.
Wait, it's my turn.
Yep.
Or Lucas? No, it's Lucas's turn. Isn't
No, it's not.
Oh,
We
it's your
reversed.
turn.
Oh, we
It's
reversed
Parker.
it? Oh, right.
Oh no!
Oh, Lucas, that's awkward.
Awkward. I'm gonna say yellow also.
You draw 2 for that?
Yeah.
Sean was waiting, dude.
I was ready for that shit. What color you want?
Yellow. It's yellow.
Fuck you, you piece of fucking shit. Is this yellow?
Yeah.
Literally, this is the dumbest fucking game for me to play, dude.
Did you see that card before I put it in my thing?
No, we didn't see it. Parker draws +2.
What color is that?
Yellow. Wait, you don't place if you draw.
Parker, it doesn't matter what color it is. Just see if you have a color in your hand that matches that color.
No,
Just let him happen.
How's it
Let it happen. Just let it happen. Go.
Rune is literally getting shit on, man, by
You-
the way.
Dirty whore.
Holy shit, dude, I drank half of a fucking
Packer,
half.
you're up.
What color?
Yellow.
Fuck. Fuck. Wait, wait, you can do this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm fucking retarded, dude. You piece of fuck.
Oh.
Green.
1.
I can see you
Two.
overshooting so fucking much in your mouth.
4. Alright, you don't put one down. You don't put one down.
What color, Lucas?
A green.
Wait, give me my card, you fuck.
No, +2.
wait,
What?
Plus two, bitch.
That's
Buddy,
a draw two. That's a
pull
draw
that
two, you
back.
fucking
Oh
retard.
shit.
That's right. Lucas is jumping the gun, dude.
Fuck you. Parker,
Parker,
up.
it's your turn. What color?
Blue.
Point to the color on the card so I know what.
You fucking idiot. You're a fucking asshole. That's not even blue. Oh, you got a 2. Nice. Well played, Sean.
I know.
What color is that?
Green.
It doesn't fucking matter what color it is.
Just let it happen.
Jesus.
Uno!
Uno!
Uno! Uno! No, you fucking shit! Get fucked, you fucking idiot! What color is that?
Green. No, that is not the same number.